Today I will show you how to transfer money from SumUp to bank account. This is a very useful tutorial. Anyone can do this very easily. So just open and log into your SumUp application. Then go to your account dashboard or the section where you manage your transactions. Find and review the transaction you want to transfer to your bank account. Then find out your bank account and just put the necessary information like the amount you want to transfer and select the bank account to which you want to transfer the funds. After completing, wait a minute. Transferred amount will be added soon. Thank you for watching the video.